What is the most viewed cubing video on YouTube? The answer is probably not what you think. JPerm is one of the most trending YouTubers in the cubing community right now, recently passing 600,000 subscribers, and several of his videos have amassed more than 1 million views, a milestone rarely achieved by cubing YouTubers. His most viewed video is his Beginner 3x3 Rubik's Cube tutorial with over 17 million views, but that's not even the most viewed Rubik's Cube tutorial. JPerm's tutorial is far surpassed by tutorials by The Cubicle, Brightside, and Dan Brown. But the most viewed Rubik's Cube tutorial on YouTube at 45 million views is a Spanish 3x3 tutorial by Cuby, who is also the most subscribed YouTuber. So this is the most viewed video on the most subscribed cubing channel, but it's far from the most viewed cubing video on YouTube. There's a channel that's blowing up right now called Ash Magic, run by a TikToker who mainly makes magic trick tutorials, and his two most viewed videos are about Rubik's Cubes at 37 million and 52 million views. And at the rate his channel is growing, I wouldn't be too surprised if one of those became the most viewed cubing video, but currently, they don't even come close. These videos are surpassed in views by Kevin Hayes solving 3 Rubik's Cubes underwater, an episode of a children's cartoon about Rubik's Cubes, and 2 videos by Indian cubing channel King of Cubers. But the cubing video with the most views shows cubing in an even more mainstream spotlight. At 80 million views, the most viewed cubing video on YouTube is Best Magic Show in the World, Genius Rubik's Cube Magician America's Got Talent. The channel that uploaded it, Top 10 Talent, has over 6 million subscribers and uploads clips of performances from TV talent competitions. What if we made this the most viewed cubing video? Like and share to make that happen, and subscribe to the channel for more cubing content like this. I'll see you in my next video.